Follow me to get to know about the instructions on how to use it properly. On top of the machine, there is a smart water cabinet cover or ordinary water cabinet cover. There are drink buttons, mode button, down button, up button, the light of working, the light of heating, the light of no cup, the light of no water, indicator light, the light of price, the light of sum, general coin slot, intelligent coin slot, button for refunding coin, paper cup outlet on the front of the machine. There are the fan, drain pipe, power line, and fuse on the back of the machine. While you open the shutter of the machine, you could find that inside the machine there are water bucket, raw material bucket, material blender, switch for basic setting, button for cleaning, button for test of cup 4, button for preventing the humidity, drink outlet, water receptacle, automatic cup dispenser and paper cup holder, general coin recognizer or intelligent coin recognizer, coin box. The water could be injected by your own water injection system or the water breaker. Plug in a special socket of 220 volt and turn on the power switch of machine. Take out the raw material bucket and open the cover. Keep the material outlet up. Feed the material, then cover the material bucket. Please note, the material swivel shall be connected with the rotary axis of inner steering motor properly, and the jet at the bottom of material bucket shall be fixed to the fixed hole of chassis base. At last, roll the material outlet downward 180 degrees and aligning the center of funnel. And here, the fitting is over. There are 3 material buckets A, B, and C to be selected inside. There are different materials in the different buckets. Thus, 3 different tastes of drink could be made. The cup capacity is 7.5 ounce. Diameter is 73 to 74 cm. Height is 77 to 78 cm. Put the right hand on the bottom of paper cup outlet. To avoid the paper stuck, put the proper amount of cups by left hand lightly. Keep loose between the cup and the cup to prevent the cup stuck. After finishing, please flap the paper cup through the paper cup outlet 2 or 3 times. Turn on the basic setting bottom. Adjustment of taste and water quantity. Press the mode button once to set material outlet quantity of bucket A. The display shows the default value A 2.5. Press down button to reduce and up button to increase the quantity. Press the Drink To button and the display shows the default B2. 2.5. Press down button and up button to reduce and increase the material outlet quantity of bucket B. Press the drink 3 button and the display shows the default C 2.5. Press down and up button to reduce and increase the material outlet quantity of bucket C. Press the drink 1 button to adjust the water outlet quantity of material bucket A. The display shows the default value N5.5. Press down button to reduce and up to increase the quantity. Press the drink 2 button to adjust the water outlet quantity of material bucket B. The display shows the default value N5.5. Press down to reduce and up to increase the quantity. Press the drink 3 button to adjust the water outlet quantity of material bucket C. The display shows the default value N5.5. Press down to reduce and up to increase the quantity. Setting of unit price. Press the mode button twice to set unit price. The display shows the default 0. It means 0 and is the unit price of material A. Specific sales price can be reduced or increased by down or up button. Then press the button of drink 2 and drink 3 to set unit price of material B and C. Repeat steps for setting unit price of material A. Confirmation of the sales quantity. Press the mode button 3 times and the display shows 000. It is the sales quantity of material A. Press the button of drink 2 and drink 3. The display will show the sales quantity of material B and C. Use of your own cup. Press the mode button and the display shows AC1. It is the function of cups automatic 4 and you can use the paper cups in the machine. AC2 is the function of no cup 4 and using your own cup. The transformation between these two functions can be adjusted by the button of down or up. Adjustment of water temperature. Press the mode button 5 times to adjust the water temperature. The default value is 95 Celsius degree. The down or up buttons can be adjusted the water temperature high or low. The max is 98 Celsius degree and the mean is 68 Celsius degree. When press the down button until it shows off, the machine do not heat the water again. The water temperature and cup filling of 3 different drinks will be uniform and could not be set separately. Pressing the mode button continuously can reset all of the above parameters. If the power failure in the procedure of setting, all the parameters which have been set cannot be saved and restored to default values. Turn off the basic setting button after setting is finished. The machine will automatically save the setting parameter. Lock the shutter and the machine is ready for use. After the light of working turn green, insert the correct coins as you set and press the drink button. Then you can enjoy your drink.